52-inch Smart Solid Wood or ABS ceiling fan. Experience whisper quiet airflow below 35 dB. Our products can be customized in various ways and are certified by major countries around the world. Reverse with heating, so that warm air circulation increase air convection rate. Positive rotation can assist air conditioning, increase the flow of cold air, cool and gently prevent air conditioning disease. Our factory accepts personalized customization. Possess 3,000 project experience. 200,000 PCS annual production capacity, having standard testing laboratory, equipped with 20+ ceiling fan testing equipment. We have certifications such as CBCETL SAW-ROSE ISO, and 10 design patents. Well-established parts supply chain, strict pre-delivery inspection standards. Our professional team is capable of quickly resolving malfunctions and providing support.